Beenie Man pleads guilty. Yesterday, the veteran entertainer who had originally said he was not guilty in the alleged holding of an event during lockdown last December changed his plea to guilty when he appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. This plea will see the artist being sentenced under the Disaster Risk Management Act. In an interview with the Gleaner, Beenie Man added that he wanted to indicate that he was not above the law.
What them said, the gathering under the COVID law is against the law, you know. I don't want nobody to feel me above the law, you see. So, yeah. So we have to deal with that, right? And make Jamaica feel safe and make the people know say we are with them.
The court also withdrew the charges under the Noise Abatement Act, and attorney at law for the accused, Roderick Gordon, said that Beenie Man did the right thing.
Mr. Davis, in discussion with his counsel, took a different route today. I would say took a responsible route with regard to all the circumstances and changed his plea regarding the breach of the Disaster Risk Management Order from not guilty to guilty. His plea was accepted by the court, and Mr. Davis is entitled to make a plea in mitigation. In some circles, he'll be looked up as an elder, and that has weighed on his mind in terms of what do I want to send as a message in a time where we have never faced before as a country in our living memory. These types of challenges. The entertainment industry has been hammered, so it hasn't been easy, but at the same time he's an elder, so I think we can respect the fact that he would take a particular approach.
Mr. Gordon added that Beenie Man can be fined as little as $5,000.
The current act, I think, has a maximum of $200,000. And this is why a plea of mitigation is important. Because it could be a minimum of, $5,000. It could be a minimum of a suspended sentence. So a fine could be issued, and the court could say, however, having regard to the circumstances, I take a particular course. So there are a number of variables, and based on the facts as we know them, we think it's important to bring those variables to the court.
Beenie Man was questioned and subsequently charged after this video circulating of him allegedly prompting fans to come out to a New Year's Eve event. And fast-rising dancehall artist Skillibeng has landed his first international collab. The Brick Pump Brick artist has teamed up with US rapper Young M.A. On the track Money Counter. The collab was released over the weekend and sees the Eastside DJ leading off the track with his flow and commanding the hook, which is all about the paper, and Young M.A. coming in halfway through to follow the same rhetoric. The collab is part of Hot 97's Megan Wright debut album, DJ Megan Wright, where she signaled to her fans that it was one of her favorites.
Money counter, money counter, money counter, money counter, counting machine, money counter.
Skillibeng over the weekend was spotted with US rappers Rich the Kid and Jay Critch along with Popcorn, sending many to speculate of another international collaboration on the way. Rich the Kid posted all weekend to his over 7 million fans photos as well as dancing to Skilly's songs. Now we'll have to wait and see what will come out of it. I'm Daedron reporting for ePrime.